guys, we are here at one of the famous restaurant here in Maragondon, Cavite, Lolo Claro's. Famous for its Max-like chicken. Tama rin pwesto. So we're heading to the second floor. They say the chicken here tastes like Max fried chicken. Lasang Max. So this is the Lolo Claro's menu. You don't want any copyright, that's why I must always speak. Hey guys, this is my deluxe platter meal. We have our veggie, our chicken, our pork, and our lumpia. Let's dig in. Alright. Hey guys, I enjoy my meal here at Lolo Claro. See you. Hey guys, if you are going here or just passing by Maragondon, Cavite, don't forget to stop over at Lolo Claro's restaurant. The chicken tastes like Max chicken. Proven and tested. And if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.